If you've ever come across a tweet in another language and wanted to understand it instantly, this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate tweets on x.com, also known as Twitter, in just a couple of clicks. This is a super quick feature, but it's incredibly useful if you follow international accounts, news pages, creators, or trends from around the world. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open x.com or the Twitter app and go to the tweet that you want to translate. It can be any post that appears in a different language from the one you normally use. Once you've found the tweet, look directly underneath the post for the translation option. On many posts, you'll see a small link that says Show Translation. That is the button you need. Go ahead and click Show Translation, and X will automatically convert the tweet into your preferred language. In just a moment, the translated text will appear right below the original post, making it much easier to read and understand. If you don't see the option immediately, make sure the tweet is actually in another language, because X only shows the translate feature when it detects foreign language content. Also, depending on the device you're using, the layout may look slightly different, but the process is still the same. Find the tweet, click Show Translation, and read the translated version. That's really all there is to it. It's one of the fastest ways to stay connected with global conversations without needing a separate translation app or copying text into another tool. If this helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful social media tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.